Yo, what is up guys? It's Deke here, and today I am back again, and I'm going to be bringing you guys a little plugin review and maybe a little bit of a tutorial here. It's pretty easy setup for this plugin. I think it's one of the best token plugins I've ever used, and I've used quite a bit, and I found this one online. Unfortunately guys, it is a premium plugin, but I promise you it is extremely worth it. I'm very cautious when buying premium plugins, and sometimes I get a little scared that I'm going to be wasting my money. But I promise you guys that this one is 100% worth it. My players love it ever since I've added it, and you guys are going to love it too whenever you guys get it as well. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of the setup in game. Let's take a look at the commands real quick. I do have a custom coded command here, just a little script I wrote that will take you to the shop instantly. But if you just type /token, it'll come up with a bunch of help commands. People can pay their tokens to somebody else. They can take them out as well. There's a bow top for your tokens as well. You can make multiple shops. It's a really interesting plugin. But I'm going to show you how it looks in game. So /tokens. Normally the command would be /token shop and the name of the shop, which is set in config or in the folder as well in your FTP or IntensityCraft. But I have a custom written script, which is like a 2-line script. It's nothing too big of a deal, but I will show you guys my custom script at the end of the game so you guys can copy that as well. But if you do /tokens, this is how it looks in game. You can customize all of this however you want it. It's really easy to understand, and you can run commands as well. So here we run commands for these. It is the keys. We run the case give blah 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 blah, and this comment. Look, we have all these keys here. Then we have the April crate, which is a monthly crate which you can buy with 40,000 tokens. Random particles, MCMO credits, and money pouches. Now all of this can be configured through the config. You cannot configure any of this through game, unfortunately, but I'm going to head over to the config to show you guys how easy it is to set up. I'll be back in about 1 second. Alright guys, I am back, and right now I am in the shops.yml. This is where you're going to set up how your shop looks and what you're going to put in your shop. So right now I have this pretty well configured. So right here is where it's going to display the no item, which I do not use. You can use that if you'd like. You don't have to. I really couldn't get it to work the way I wanted it to, so I just kind of ignored it. But if you scroll down a little bit, it has the items in the slot that they go in. So 0 is always the first slot, and it goes up from there. So in the first slot here, we just put stained glass. We can put the display name as well, the amount, the meta. It doesn't really matter. This is just blank. It doesn't do anything. So this is just a filler, as you saw earlier. And right here is where you would get your first reward with your purchase. Right here is the envoy key that we have set this up currently on our current faction server here. The price is 1,000 tokens. So if people click it and they have 1,000 tokens, it'll run the command scene right here. It'll give them what they purchased, and basically you just copy and paste this all the way down, and you just make sure that you're changing the number and you're changing your commands, and it works out pretty well. So I mean, this is the best token plugin I've seen in a long time, guys. I know it's a premium plugin, but I promise you that if you have the money to spend, it'll be worth it. Your players will love it. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description for the plugin, and make sure you guys go check it out. If you enjoyed this tutorial / review, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for other videos just like this one. Alright, peace out.